Hi, it's Kate from Ohlolly. So I'm here to share with you a close-up of the new travel kit from Urang. This is one of my absolute favorite brands that we curate at Ohlolly. All of their products are beautiful and natural, and I'm beyond excited that they came out with this travel kit. It comes in this adorable package that's perfect for gifting, and inside are 6 travel-ready products that make packing your skincare routine so simple. The first product is the Creamy Bubble Foam Cleanser. It's made with natural and soothing botanical ingredients and smells really lovely. I use this at night as my second cleanser, but it's also really gentle and great for the morning time. Next is the Natural Cleansing Oil. I love this cleansing oil, especially in the colder months when my skin is prone to dryness. I use this at night as a first cleanser to take off all my makeup and sunscreen, and then also I'll use it in the morning as a regular cleanser. Next is the Rose pH Balancing Mist. You can use this mist in 2 ways. First, as a toner in your regular routine, or as a mist throughout the day. I would recommend keeping this close to you on the plane to use whenever your skin is feeling a bit parched. After the mist is the True Rose Repair Essence. This essence has a really lovely, thicker texture than a lot of more watery essences, and it's unbelievably nourishing and has a beautiful natural rose scent. One of the things I really appreciate about Urang is that they don't have any artificial scent, so that rose scent is really natural. This is the Rose Ceramide Cream. How cute is that? You can see there's not a lot in here, but this cream is so hydrating that a little goes a really long way. I personally like to mix a drop or 2 of the oil serum in with this cream. And this is the oil serum. So for this oil serum, you can actually choose which one you want between Urang's 3 oils. They're all equally wonderful, but my personal favorite is this vitamin oil. Like I said, I mix it with the cream at night, and in the morning I put a couple drops in my BB cream, which gives me a really natural looking glow. And that's all 6 products that come with the Urang travel kit. I really appreciate the packaging of these products because it would be so easy just to refill and use again on your next trip. Happy traveling!